So for the past 2 weeks, I've been feeling quite overwhelmed, and I'll talk about why, but one of the reasons I wanted to do this is just in case it can help you guys with getting out of it. And I wanted to talk about my method that I've noticed for the past years. It's sort of like a pattern. Basically what's been happening is I've been going out quite a lot in terms of hanging out with friends and going on trips, and just a lot of time is given to other people right now. And it's definitely stuff that I'm enjoying and having fun with, and it's great that I'm making these memories and I'm really happy about it. But at the same time, it's definitely making me feel like the other things in my life that I want to accomplish and do, they're being put on hold, and it's slowing down to the point where it's almost not moving. And I feel like that's been the case for a lot of periods in my life, and it's hard for me to sort of fight against it because of something I value, which is my friends and memories. A lot of these things, going to Yosemite for the first time in the past 2 weeks, and also visiting a desert area for the first time as well. Those things are invitations from friends where if I declined it, I would never have made those interesting and fun memories. And basically the big event of the month, which is one of my goals each month, I wouldn't have accomplished that. So that's why I do it. But I do realize that it's a sacrifice. 4 days was the Yosemite trip, and those 4 days because of the hiking, my splits stuff has been put on hold because my legs felt really, really sore and I couldn't really do splits training, and I didn't practice piano, and I didn't get any video stuff done. So that's why I haven't uploaded for the past 2 weeks. It's just a lot of stuff that was put on hold, and having all those things being put on hold and having it just there looming, not being touched, makes me feel very, very stressed and overwhelmed. So the way I got past that, or the way I usually get past it, is to just take a day and not look at my schedule and see how behind I am. Just ignore that for a second, allow myself to just take a rest, take a breath, and just collect myself. The way I like to do this is I plan my next week, and just plan out all, sort everything, go over everything one more time. Take that day to just look it through and move things, their due dates and stuff, because I probably can't accomplish it in that time frame anymore. So that's what I do first. And after I do that, I feel better already, because I'm okay, these are the things I need to do. I just gotta get myself back on track and just feel stable and balanced again, versus thinking that there's so many things to do, which there is, but take things one at a time, basically. So that's sort of what I do first. And then from there, I started to feel excited again, just looking it over again. I get excited because these are things I want to do. And after taking a break from not doing it, it actually motivates me even more to go at it again, harder and better, and just try to see it in a fresh perspective. So in some ways, these breaks can actually be a good thing. But after I sort of go through that process, the overwhelming feeling that I have changes from that to that of excitement and feeling energized. And that's where I am today. I'm finally back to my normal schedule, so I get to just engage in these projects again, and I'm feeling ready. I'm feeling ready to just dive into it and just go at it full force again. It's a very, very simple method. Basically, you feel overwhelmed, you take a day to just look over everything again, reorganize, and hopefully that helps make you feel excited again to just get back into it, or just look at it in a different way and go at it full force. That's pretty much it. It's very simple, and that's where I'm at. So hopefully that process can help you guys, and let's see how things go. It's gonna be very interesting the next few weeks.